To set up the Webull app, start by downloading it from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the download is complete, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to create a new account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will be asked to verify your identity by providing your social security number and date of birth. This is a standard requirement for all brokerage firms to comply with regulatory requirements. After verifying your identity, you will need to set up a username and password for your account. Now, you can fund your account by linking your bank account or by transferring funds from another brokerage firm. You can also deposit money into your account using a wire transfer or by mailing a check. Webull offers a variety of account types, including individual, joint, and retirement accounts. After funding your account, you can start exploring the app and its features. The Webull app allows you to buy and sell stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can also access real-time market data, news, and analysis to help you make informed investment decisions. To place a trade, tap on the Trade button and select the type of trade you want to make. You can choose from a variety of order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. You can also set up a watch list to track your favorite stocks and receive notifications when they reach a certain price or volume threshold. Webull also offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to test your trading strategies and get familiar with the app without risking any real money. Additionally, Webull provides customer support through phone, email, and live chat, so you can get help whenever you need it. In conclusion, setting up the Webull app is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps, you can start trading and investing with Webull and take advantage of its many features and tools. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.